Noah to the fourth power. We have 4 Noahs this week. It's confusing.
I don't know.
Now I'm gonna see if I can do Roz. I don't know. It might be a mix between Mickey and Kermit and Roz. It might be all 3 of them. But we're gonna try. I'm always watching. Mike Wazowski. It's me, Roz. You better get back to work. I'm always watching. And yeah,
welcome to the National Ping Pong Table Tennis Championship. In this corner, we have, would you like to introduce yourself, sir? We have Giraffe. In this corner, we have Soviet Bear. All right. First, he sucks with the puck or ball. We have the ball. Whenever you're ready. And we're off. Okay, it's back and forth. Oh, we got it. You know, I'm just gonna. Yeah. It's going back and forth. Oh, he's taking a jump away fader. Oh, he's got it. No, it's a. Look at LeBron James. Tag second base. Throws it down with authority. Touchdown, Yankees. Yeah, back and forth. Yes.
Do you not see the ping pong ball?
Guys, what are they doing? They know how to play ping pong. This is the championship, ladies and gentlemen. Back and forth. Oh, he does a spin move. Spin move fast. The center. Oh! We have Soviet Bear with his glass of vodka.
Water filled. Have a nice day.
What?
Would you like some water?
Yes.
25 cents, please. Pouring water. Here you go.
Well, come on.
Have a nice day.
One more. Or no, 2 more. 2 more courses.
Pouring water. Pouring complete.
What? Push the button. One more quarter.
Nice and warm now.
Filling complete. Have a nice day.
Guys, come quick and stand up! What happened? She's dead!
she's dead.
At the door now. What happened? She went deep ditch diving and did a double flip.
Dana deep ditch diving? Wasn't she digging Doug's garden?
No, Dylan digs Doug's garden. Dana digs Drake's garden.
Yeah, but oh my God. It's Dana. What happened? She's dead.
Dana's dead?
At the door now. She went deep ditch diving and did a double flip.
Diving? She was drawing. Oh, God.
All right, go slow. Come on, guys, memorize your lines.
You need an umbrella?
Guys, come quick, it's Dana.
Big boy, come on.
She's dead.
Dana's dead?
As a door now. She went deep ditch diving and did a double flip.
In a deep ditch diving? Isn't she digging Doug's garden?
No. Dana digs Drake's garden. Dylan digs Doug's garden.
Yeah, but I went to the deep ditch, didn't see her, and I drained it. So,
Dude, don't despair. Dana didn't die deep ditch diving. She was trying to draw the ducks down by Dairy Queen.
downing the dilly bar.
Downing dilly bars in her Dodge Dakota.
There you go. All right. Did she do drugs?
No, Dana doesn't do drugs. She doesn't do well downing drugs or drawing drowsy ducks.
Okay.
Dude, don't down me like that.
Where's Dana?
Dudes! Don't despair, Dana's here!
Dana! After you did drugs in the ditch, no. I drained the deep ditch, didn't see her, decided to dive deep ditch diving.
No way!
Softly falls the light of day as our campfire fades away. Silently each scout should ask, have I done my daily task? Have I kept my honor bright as I go to sleep tonight? Have I done and have I dared everything to be prepared?
I would like to thank our guests for coming and joining us for our annual tradition of a campfire troop night here at Ransburg. We had some great skits. Then we had some other skits. So thank everyone for being a part of it. Thank you for your creativity. Stick around for a roll call and then warm beds.